Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video courtesy of JONPONY. This is going to be their heated massager recliner lifter chair. Check them out. Link will be down below. We got a big old box. Took some beating. Hopefully everything's okay inside. Good old FedEx. They don't care. But we'll see. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have it all set up now. This chair by JONPONY is amazing. It has a hydraulic lift, heated seats, massage, all in one. Easy to set up, great for any age to use, especially the senior citizens. Got to take care of them, and they'll have no problems getting up now. I'll show you guys what it does in a second. Let's take a look closer. Easy to set up though, but if you're buying it for them, make sure you're home to set it up for them. Instructions are really easy. You got some side pockets here. You can put your phone, maybe extra controller. Then you can put some magazines in here, right there. TV guide if they're still around. And then the side pocket there. Look at this thing. Super comfy. And now we're gonna sit down. Here's a heated machine. See? You got different modes. Heat mode. You have a timer up to 30 minutes. Mode 5. You have it on the highest setting. Right there. You can switch the parts. So it could be lower lumbar, your buttocks, or your back. Really cool. So you can definitely feel it. Really nice. Now this is the lifter, where your hydraulic is to lift the chair up and recline. Here we go. It's like a roller coaster. There's my feet. Alright, here we go. Now you can see there we go. It's going all the way. All the way. See? Perfect sleep. And then all the way down. This part's pretty cool. So you can go higher. There we go. You can see it's lifted totally off the ground. So, there he goes. Check him out. Link in bio. Be safe.